I have the new Apple Watch SE here. I'm going to show you how to put on these bands. Very, very simple here. Now, this is the band that came with my SE, but I have also other replacement bands as well, okay? Compatible replacement bands. So first thing is, we'll go ahead and put this one on first, and I'll put another one of these on. But if you go ahead and grab your band, if you look underneath it, you should see like that little metal thing in the middle, okay? There's nothing there, there's a metal here. So this metal part is going to go on, slip on the bottom. So here's the watch right here. Here's the display on top, and there's the metal piece. That metal piece we're going to put on the bottom. We're going to slide it right in. So you can see that little groove right there. So what we're going to do is just slip this in here and just slide it in until you hear a little click. Heard a click? There we go. Okay, now on the other side here, same thing. Where's the metal piece? There's the metal piece right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it underneath like this. And we're just going to go ahead and slide this in. Sometimes it's kind of difficult. Like this is like a rubber material here, or silicone. So, and it doesn't matter which way. You can slide it in this way or that way. And there's the snap, okay? Now if you want to take it off, now you see this button right here. What you want to do is press and hold this button. Press and hold it, because it's basically like a magnet on that little metal piece. Just press and hold it and it lifts up. Now we can just go ahead and slowly slide out, and then let go of the button. Same thing on this side. Press and hold the button, and then just slide it out. Then you can go ahead and let go. And even like other compatible replacement bands, like you can see these here, is the same thing. You can see the metal piece underneath here. And the same thing with like these here. You can see that little middle one is metal. That one's not. So I'll put this one on as well. So the metal piece is down here. Let me just slide this in until you hear a click. And the same thing on this side here. There's the metal bottom part right there. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in. Oops. Slide this in just like this. Oops. Sometimes you gotta kind of like play with it. Ooh, let me go this way here. There we go. And it snaps right into place. So pretty simple. Any questions or anything, just comment below. All right. Oh, by the way, this is a 44 mm, and these replacement bands here are all from my Series 4 44 millimeters, and they all fit the Series 5, Series 6, the SE model as well. Okay.